Good morning, sir. We are the Group 8. We are here to discuss the ColReg Rule 20, 21, and 22. Rule 20 Application 1. Rules in this part shall be complied with in all weathers. 2. The rules concerning lights shall be complied with from sunset to sunrise, and during such times no other lights shall be exhibited, except such lights as cannot be mistaken for the lights specified in these rules or do not impair their visibility or distinctive character, or interfere the keeping of a proper lookout. So what is proper lookout? The requirements to keep a lookout is described in rule number 5. Every vessel shall at all times maintain a proper lookout by sight and hearing as well as by all available means appropriate in the prevailing circumstances and conditions so as to make a full appraisal of the situation and of the risk of collision. 3. The lights prescribed by these rules shall, if carried, also be exhibited from sunrise to sunset in restricted visibility. So, restricted visibility. The term restricted visibility means any conditions in which visibility is restricted by fog, mist, falling snow, heavy rainstorm, sandstorms, or any other similar causes, and may be exhibited in all other circumstances when it is deemed necessary. 4. The rules concerning shapes shall be complied with by day. 5. The lights and shape specified in these rules shall comply with the provisions of Annex 1 to these regulations.
Good day everyone, I'm Cadet Recto and I will explain to you the definition of Rule 21. Part A. Mast headlight. Mast headlight means a white light placed over the fore and aft center line of a vessel showing an unbroken light over an arc of horizon of 225 degrees ahead, and so fixed as to show the light from right ahead to 22.5 degrees above and beam on either side of the vessel. Part B. Side lights are red on a port or left hand side and a green on the starboard or right hand side. They can be seen from the right ahead, showing unbroken light through an angle of 112.5 degrees arc of horizon, and so fixed as to show the light from the right ahead to 22.5 degrees above the beam on each respective side. In a vessel of less than 20 meters in length, the side lights may be combined in one lantern carried on the fore and aft center line of the vessel. And let's go to part C. Stern light. Stern light means a white light placed as nearly as practicable at the stern, showing an unbroken light over an arc of horizon of 135 degrees and so fixed as to show the light 67.5 degrees from the right aft on each side of the vessel. So next is Deck Cadet Salandron will continue the other definition of Rule 21.
So we have towing light, all-around light, and lastly is flashing light. So towing light means a yellow light having the same characteristics as the stern light, defined in paragraph of this rule. So it is usually above the stern light that covers the same arc as the stern light. All-round light means a light showing an unbroken line over an arc of the horizon of the 360 degrees. And lastly is flashing light, means a light flashing at regular intervals at a frequency of 120 flashes or more per minute.
Rule 22. Visibility of lights. The lights prescribed in these rules shall have an intensity as specified in Section 8 of Annex 1 to these regulations, so as to be visible at the following minimum ranges. For A, in vessels of 50 meters or more in length, a masthead light 6 miles. A side light 3 miles. A stern light 3 miles. A towing light 3 miles. A white, green, or yellow all-around light 3 miles. So for V, in vessels of 12 meters or more in length but less than 50 meters in length, a masthead light 5 miles, except that where the length of the vessel is less than 20 meters, 3 miles. A side light 2 miles. A stern light 2 miles. A towing light 2 miles. A white, red, green, or yellow all-around light 2 miles. For the second slide of Rule 22, visibility of lights. C. In vessels of less than 12 meters in length, a masthead light 2 miles. A side light 1 mile. A stern light 2 miles. A towing light 2 miles. A white, red, green, or yellow all-round light 2 miles. In conspicuous, partly submerged vessels or objects being towed, a white all-round light 3 miles.